guys, welcome back to Kitchen of Flavors, and today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken barbecue. So the ingredients for this are simple. I'm just going to add 1.5 cup of yogurt, just like that. We're going to add 2.5 tablespoons of tandoori masala. Then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but you can keep according to your taste. Then I'm going to keep 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper powder. And I'm going to put in 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now I'm going to mix it. The tandoori masala I've used in it is homemade. And now I'm going to add some chicken ribs. I've just garnished it with some salt and a bit of chaat masala. Now I'm going to give it a proper mix. So you can also use boneless chicken if you wish. Instead of the ribs, you can use chicken wings, you can use legs, whatever you like. So I've mixed mine, and now I'm going to let it sit while I move to the next step. So now I'm going to the second step, which is putting 3 tablespoons of butter. And now I'm going to add 1 small white onion, which is chopped. And we'll fry it till it's light brown. Okay, the onions are already light brown, so I'm going to add the marinated chicken inside. I will just lay them properly in the pan, and then we'll cook it on low flame for about 5 minutes, so the chicken can let its water out and it cooks up. So I'll just cover it with the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. Okay, the chicken is already tender and ready. As you can see, it's removing the oil. The oil is separating from the chicken, and that's how we want. So now I'll show you what to do next. And now I'm going to put a foil in it and add a small piece of charcoal. And now I'm going to add a little bit of oil on it, and I'll cover it. So we'll cover it for a few minutes for the chicken to get the tikka taste in it and aroma. Now the chicken is already ready. And now I'm going to leave it on low flame for a few minutes as I show you the last step, which is making the mayonnaise cream sauce for garnishing. So now I'm going to show you the last step, which is making the mayo cream sauce for garnishing. So here I have 3 tablespoons of cream, which I'm going to put inside the bowl. Now I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. One tablespoon of hot chili sauce. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now all you have to do is give it a quick mix. Just mix it up properly. Okay, so the mayo cream sauce is ready. This is how it looks. It looks really yummy. You're going to use this for the garnishing of the chicken barbecue. So just going to let it sit. So the chicken is ready, and now I'm assembling it, and now what I'm going to do is put the chicken on the fried vegetable rice which I had prepared. We'll just pour the sauce on it of the chicken barbecue. Okay, so we've already assembled. Now the last step is by garnishing it with the mayonnaise cream sauce. For it to bring out the creamy and yummy taste in it. And now I'm going to garnish it with some coriander leaves. So the dish is already ready. It's ready to dig in. It's very yummy. I can just get the aroma. I can't wait to dig in. It's very yummy. You try this at home. You can even make it in a different way. If you want more vegetables, you can you can garnish it with anything. If you want to put the mayo cream sauce, you can add more of it. And you can use the chicken barbecue with naan, or instead of rice, you can use it with naan or spaghetti or pasta, with anything you desire. So now my dish is already ready, and I'm going to dig in. It's so yummy. Please do try this video at home and give it a very huge thumbs up. Please write below the comment how it turned out. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.